don't live too clean. So sort of, share a bit of microbiome and share a bit of dirt. If I wanted to have a really healthy, disease-free life and neither wanted to die of a nasty viral infection, nor having an overactive immune response, having an autoimmune disease and one of these things like arthritis or multiple sclerosis or something, first thing I do is choose my parents really, really carefully and have really brilliant genetics, because although we learn from twins that some parts of the immune response are very inherited and some parts aren't, when people did studies in the olden days on twins, and twins had been separated and things, people love researching twins. Just gold dust. Yeah. So they found that one of the biggest markers for what you're going to die of was what your parents were going to died of if they died young, whether or not you were living with them. And the biggest one of those was dying of infectious disease. So you want to have really good immune response genes before you start. Okay.
Oh, we are absolutely screwed.
Really?
Yeah, everyone dies young in our family right now.
Okay.
Live fast, die young.
Okay, so let's move on from that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can't do that one.
So once you've dealt with your genes, you've got to have a really good environment, including an internal environment, your microbiome. So when we talk about the microbiome, we're talking about kind of quality and quantity. That you want it to be as diverse as possible, but also that you want the right kind of bacteria in there, the ones that are going to kind of do good stuff for you, not give you diseases. So probably the best thing you could do is either be like or marry a Yanomami Amazonian Indian.
Yes.
So they're one of these people who you find in the Amazon jungles around Venezuela who haven't really had contact with modern peoples or Westerners for certainly the last 11,000 years, so live essentially an unchanged life as hunter-gatherers. So they have a much more diverse diet than we have, with much more roughage and nuts and berries and things. And they've got the most stupendous microbiome. So either live like one or marry one or something. The only other thing I can offer is don't live too clean. So sort of, share a bit of microbiome and share a bit of dirt. That's also helpful.
Hug.
Yeah, hug. Eat the food off the floor.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, good.
Yeah.